Situated in the ever popular Farsley Village and within walking distance to local amenities is this two-bedroom semi-detached house. Internally, an entrance porch leads to a sizable lounge featuring an electric fireplace with a coal effect and an open staircase leading to the first floor. Moving on, a modern kitchen boasts wooden-fronted wall and base units with integrated appliances and a rear entrance door leading to a garden. Upstairs there are two generous-sized bedrooms, including fitted wardrobes and laminate flooring. Completing the inside is a bathroom comprising a three-piece suite. Externally to the front of the property are allocated parking spaces, whilst a well-presented rear garden contains a paved patio, lawn and a fenced boundary. For more information about this property, please contact Whitegates today.